President Emmerson Mnangagwa was reportedly instructed Zanu PF Secretary for Legal Affairs Patrick Chinamasa to delete a public statement he posted on X, defending the co-option of controversial businessman kuda kwa Chitagure in the party's central committee. Sabina pa mashoko arikuda pangwa in a confusion irikoroka ma citizens enyika yeZimbabwe. Panapa aino kudanyira chiti Chinamasa uja akambata nesiro kwaye adzoserazve aiwa zvaakambodzima. Chitiko chiri kuona kwazi vanhu vari kuvhunduka vachishamisika kuti aiwa vana Chinamasa right now they deleted my post but now womadzosera zvekare. Ameno zvinhu zviri kuitika. Don't subscribe or I got on the bell icon. Timina muna mubudanyi kwamchis the directive announced via ZANU-PF aligned Operation Restore Legacy social media page on Monday comes amid growing speculation over internal factionalism within the ruling party. The same source claimed Chinamasa had been ordered to retract his post on X, where he defended the process that led to Tagure's co-option. Chasara Kunamba Twitter account, the post added, hinting at possible further restrictions on Chinamasa's use of the platform. In the now deleted tweets, Chinamasa had posted a lengthy statement characterizing the controversy as much ado about nothing and defending Tagure's appointment as legitimate and above board. Tagure, a controversial businessman closely linked to President Emmerson Mnangagwa, remains one of the most polarizing figures in the Zimbabwe politics. His rising influence in ZANU-PF has been interpreted by insiders as a sign that he could be Mnangagwa's chosen successor. His assumption that he has reportedly intensified the rivalry between him and VP Constantine. While Chinamasa's statement appeared to be an attempt to quell the public uproar, Mnangagwa's move to suppress it suggests the party leadership is seeking tighter control of internal messages as tensions mount. Presidential spokesperson George Jaramba had not responded to a request for comment at the time of publication. Mashoko ari kupangwa ine vanhu vachinasa kunzwisisa kuti zvii zvava kuitika mu the ruling party ZANU-PF, and people are also waiting comment yevanhu vari influential nevanhu vari controversial again vakaita sana Christopher Mutsvangwa nana VP Constantine Chwenga. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndango message medu mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.